Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see YouTube Shorts likes. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is just to go to the shorts that you want to see its like and you will find the likes there. So here we are in the web app and all we need to do is just to go to the shorts. And from here, we have this short here. And as you can see, we already can find the amount of likes and of course the dislike we want to see their amount. So here we can see that we have the amount of like here. And basically, if you want to see your own shorts likes, you will need just to go to the YouTube Studio. So from here, you will need just to go to YouTube Studio, and from here you will find content. And basically, here you will find all the interactions and we want just to see the shorts. So basically here in the shorts, we will find views, comments, and likes. And basically here you will find all the interactions and you will see the amount of likes and dislikes on your shorts. And of course, if you want to only see your liked shorts that you have liked as interactions, you can uh, see them from the history. So you can just go to your YouTube web app, you go to history, then you go to manage all history. So from here, we will find interactions. So here in the interactions, you will need just to click on video likes and dislikes, and from here you will find all the videos that you commented, including the shorts and the regular videos. And that would also uh, been applied for all the interactions such as the likes, dislikes, comments, and replies, and live chats if you have commented in some kind of live stream on YouTube, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.